for the getting attainment of your education. So, never ever forget the parents, especially the mother, unconditional love, mother and motherland. Two things, if you are motivated, if you fall in love with these two things, अम्मा मातृभूमि, माँ और मातृभूमि से आपका प्यार हो गया ना, मान लीजिए you are going to a rock star. The moment you don't fall in love with these two unconditional loves, mother and motherland, you always need a dose of motivation from here and there, inspiration from here and there. You look at your mom, you look at your motherland, you will automatically be motivated. Two unconditional loves. Then, once you are motivated, then the problem is there. Consistency and discipline are extremely important than motivation and inspiration. Trust me. You can get motivated by watching a wonderful movie or hearing a wonderful story, but if you are not disciplined enough, if you are not consistent enough, if you are not persistent enough, if you are not determined enough, if you don't have fire in the belly, अगर आपके पेट में आग नहीं तो complacent बनेंगे आप. Complacency creeps in. Treat every day as the gift from Almighty God and give your best to make sure you have a line in the history book. చరిత్రలో ఒక లైన్ నాకంటూ ఉండాలి. हिस्ट्री बुक में एक वाक्य मेरे ऊपर, मेरा जो अच्छा जो चीज में जो कर सकता हूं, जो किया, उसके लिए एक सेंटेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. दिस इज द वे दैट आई टोल्ड, आई हैव बीन टेलिंग myself to inspire me myself from Tenali intermediate failure till my grad. I was in Telugu medium. 21 साल तक मैं अंग्रेजी में ना बात किया हूं ना लिखा हूं. The first time I have ever written English exam was MA in Political Science to Hyderabad Central University exam. But thanks to my cricketing talents, cricket taught me discipline, determination, never say never, give up attitude, all the time motivating yourself, and team building. Because in a team of 11 members, you have people coming from different walks of life. You got to put them together and then show them the way to win the match. Each over, each situation had given me that ability to pull things out. So, sports do not build character, they reveal your character. I was asking director madam, out of 100 acres, then ma'am immediately said, sir, we have 25 acres dedicated to sports. So, ma'am, that is something that shows you are walking the talk. बात करना बहुत आसान है. I can say I love you, but it doesn't make any sense if I don't deliver it. What I say is not love, what I do for you is love. So, it is the testimony. The test is your sports. Please hit the first thing, physical fitness. Second thing, I'll give you 5 Panchabhutas to be successful. In my limited knowledge and capacity, whatever I have earned from Tenali to Stanford University. Whatever I have earned, I have seen life. From Tenali to Hyderabad Central University, MA in Political Science. From there, MPhil in American Studies to Delhi Jawaharlal Nehru University School of International Studies. From there to PhD in American Studies in same School of International Studies, JNU, where now my alma mater or my alumnus or